Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to learn about the new feature released in Microsoft Forms called Option for Quiz. But before we move to the video, here is a short intro. So right now I am in Microsoft Forms and I am going to create a new quiz in this. I'm going to provide a title to my quiz as math exam for the primary students, and I'm also going to provide the description for that, something like this exam is designed to test your knowledge of mathematics. In this particular exam, I am going to make it very simple for this demo purpose. I'm going to add some of the questions which are of type choice. The first question would be what is 2 plus 2, and I'm going to add four options in that. The option 1 would be 2, option 2 is 1, option 3 is 4, and option 4 would be 0. The other thing I have to do is I have to select the correct answer. For this one, the answer is 4. The other thing is what is 2 by 0. Yeah, and I'm going to provide the options for that. Let's say option 1 is 2, option 2 is 0, option 3 is no answer, and then option 4 is error. Okay, yeah, and I am also going to select the correct answer, and I just going to solve my mistake. What is 2 divided by 0? I'm going to add another question which is also of type choice, which is what is 2, let's say 2 multiplied by 0. I'm going to provide the another options. Let's say option 1 is 2, option 2 is error, option 3 is no answer, and option 4 is 0. And here the correct answer is option 4. Oops. Yeah, I have to add that. So let me just go into that. Option 4, correct, 0 is the correct answer. So the next step I'm going to do is I'm going to settings, and here I will see the new section option for quiz, where I will see two options, practice mode and show results automatically. So the practice mode defines respondents can practice at their own pace and see correct answers for each question before submitting, and I'm going to enable that. And also the show results automatically option is by default enabled, and this says like respondents can see the answers at the same time when they are submitting the response. The other options are same. I have separate video for this, so if you want to see them, I am going to provide a link into the description as well as on the top corner. You can go and check it. Let me just copy this link and try to open it into the new window so that we can submit the response and see this in action. Okay, so I am just logged in, so it is capturing my name and saying the the owner of this quiz is going to see them. So when I submit this, as you see, I'm seeing the correct sign which says this answer is correct, and also this answer is correct, as well as this nice icon. Excellent. I have given the right answer. Same when I say what is 2 by 0. Okay. I select the answer before, but before submitting, if I want to clear the selection, I can click on this eraser icon. Let's say I select this error and click on submit. This is correct answer. So it will also say the same thing like excellent, you have selected the correct answer. But let's say for this particular question 2 divided by 0, I give the wrong answer, which is a no answer, and try to submit. It will show me this, you nice try, you are almost there, try again. Let me do that again. Yeah, when I submit, nice try, you are almost there, try again, and it will also give me an option to show the correct answer. So the correct answer is 0, and other options will be cleared out, and we can complete the exercise. So this is very basic demo of how the option quiz is working inside the application, right? And how we can utilize that to create Microsoft Form for the practice purpose. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please subscribe it, and please provide your valuable feedback in the comment section. Thank you so much.